Is Ray awake? I'm not sure. She was eating a donut earlier. Ray! Ray! I think she's sleeping. Stop! Don't bark. That's scary. Stop! Stop! Why is he barking? Stop! Why are you barking? Don't say behind me. That's scary. See, now I have to close the door. That door is freaking me out now. Why? Why? Stop! Stop! I can't tell! Stop! 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 She's not! She's sleeping! She's sleeping! No, she's sleeping. It's because Navi was barking. Now I'm freaking out. No, she's not. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Jeez, you guys are freaking me out for no reason. She's in chat because she was in Toast chat and then he raided me and so she just is in here by default. What? Wait, what? Wait, Ray, you're awake? Oh my god, okay, so she's, okay, well, Ray, is that actually you? I don't know why I'm trying to speak loud when she's in chat. Ray, are you typing? Is that actually you? I can't tell. Ray, I'm getting scared. Is that, who is that? I don't know why I'm getting freaked out. Stop, stop. Okay, I think, stop. Ray! Ray! I can't tell. I can't tell. I can't tell. What? Are you sleeping? Well, you're not sleeping. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm starting to get confused. I'm losing it right now. Okay, see? Okay, she's going to bed. She's going to bed. Oh my god, okay. Okay, good night. Sleep well. Oh, that freaking scared me. I don't know why. She's not. No, she's going to bed. I can't tell. I'm closing the door. I'm closing the door. I'm going to close the door. I can't. Hold on. No. No. I won't tolerate this. Watch the VOD? Don't snitch? You guys are so messed up. That's it. You know what? It's fine. 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 I'm not scared. I'm not even a little bit scared. Not even a little bit. I'll protect you, baby girl. No, I'd rather let the demons get me. But thank you. I don't appreciate that. I mean, oh no. If there's a demon here, I'd just rather go, you know? I'm sorry, my bad.